the sunrise. Said she gotta go a long time, yeah. I remember the fun times, cause you and me hit it one time, yeah. All we have is this one life, and call me back when you're online, yeah. Calm down when you slow down when you calm down, you never know, girl. Girl, you know you give me no love, girl, you know you gotta show mercy, things you do make me confess, so only a smile make me undress, so no time to slow down, we at the club, you better go down, baby, it's dark around, baby, you want my sunrise. Screaming out the emergency, oh, yeah. You know my heart breaking, oh, yeah. She ain't loving me, oh, yeah. Someone come and carry me, oh, yeah. Emergency, oh, yeah. You know my heart breaking, oh, yeah. She ain't loving me, oh, yeah. Someone come and carry me, oh, yeah. Say we out for a gunshot, too. You stay where you run far away. 20 guys when I come by, oh. You're the one that just won't shy away. Oh, you know you give me life, oh. No battle is all bad, oh. Make you there for me for life, oh. Cause you know we got one life, one life. Girl, you know you give me no love. Girl, you know you gotta show mercy. Things you do make me confess, so only a smile make me undress, so no time to slow down. We at the club, you better go down. Baby, it's dark around, baby, you want my sunrise. Screaming out the emergency, oh, yeah. You know my heart breaking, oh, yeah. She ain't loving me, oh, yeah. Someone come and carry me, oh, yeah. Emergency, oh, yeah. You know my heart breaking, oh, yeah. She ain't loving me, oh, yeah. Someone come and carry me, oh, yeah. Emergency, yeah.
Every time I'm looking in the mirror, tripping so hard from my head to toes, feel like a winner. Girl, I don't want no drama. Baby, one time the mirror, January to December. Girl, I've always been a winner. Looking so good every time I'm looking in the mirror. Tripping so hard from my head to toes, feel like a winner. Girl, I don't want no drama. Baby, one time the mirror, January to December. Girl, I've always been a winner.
Run the city like I'm Usain. Spend a fortune on a new chain. Black man with a new whip. Motherfuckers thinking I'm a new slave. Man, my gloves dirty and my hands clean. We be making money, you be making me. Man, really funny trying to run up on me. I'm a playboy, I don't need no bunny like whoa.
Take it and take it, all of you faking. Y'all wanna be like me. Young nigga acing, never been basic. Y'all can't fuck with me. Fucking shit up like since day one. Ain't nobody do it like me. Shoot my shot, it never gets blocked like all that what I don't mean. Sucker like you got a blocker on a hitter with an AK-47. Then I blow up like another 9/11. Steady rapping for the south side, man, it's about time. We don't too grind, these niggas stars gon' outshine. Nigga, all night, we'll be alright. For the first class on the first flight.
So good every time I'm looking in the mirror. Tripping so hard from my head to toes, feel like a winner. Girl, I don't want no drama. Baby, one time the mirror, January to December. Girl, I've always been a winner. Looking so good every time I'm looking in the mirror. Tripping so hard from my head to toes, feel like a winner. Girl, I don't want no drama. Baby, one time the mirror, January to December. Girl, I've always been a winner.
Nigga, I'm way high, no weed, no liquor, but I feeling like a skydive. But I can't go down, I'm a top boy. I ain't got no British accent for the fact on the mic, I'm a savage. Serve bars like a bartender, like Abraham. Sacrifice these rappers like Ramblers. Hopefully I left them barking.
I might link my ting from barking 7 a.m. in the morning.
Wait, what?
Fake nigga, fake nigga, man, ain't China nigga, not my type of nigga. I'm an OG nigga, really holy nigga. Like if Holy Mary had another baby, pray to God they save me, let the money change me. Niggas tryna run for me, really funny, cause none of these niggas can test me, even if my name was Johnny and my dog is sucking like boom.
Sometimes I can't, I'm feeling like I'm alone. Chains still on my neck and it be so cold. Everybody be looking like a roll. So good every time I'm looking in the mirror. Tripping so hard from my head to toes, feel like a winner. Girl, I don't want no drama. Baby, one time the mirror, January to December. Girl, I've always been a winner. Looking so good every time I'm looking in the mirror. Tripping so hard from my head to toes, feel like a winner. Girl, I don't want no drama. Baby, one time the mirror, January to December. Girl, I've always been a winner.
life in a way. Let me illustrate.
Put somewhere else. Leave the earth. Jupiter. Or if you want to go further, you go to Pluto.
So these places that you're talking about, have you been to any of them before in your mind?
Yes, in my mind. Fella was somewhere else.
It's your boy Suke. Yeah.
And it sounds the big lord.
Listen. So I picked up the beat. Tell the DJ put on repeat. Like Diego Maradona, then I got the ball on my feet. I dribble till you fall on your teeth. Anytime you need a lyrical flow, my people make you call on your king. Cause I stand out like a blame, my nigga, just the way that I flow. I make you call on your team, but you know that I'm still gonna win. Wait, now you know I'm gonna switch up the vibe. It's kinda hard for you to keep up, it's a hell of a ride. I keep it alive, you know I put my feelings aside and then I collide. Like a roller coaster ride, you can't survive when I decide to get lyrical. Nobody taking the shots, nobody clinical. I'm steady dropping the verses without a Bible. Flow so sick, the episode gets viral. I like that, bring the beat right back. Cause I still ball like a right back. Take a picture like a Kodak. I'ma let tick like I'm O-Black. And I got flows, there's a known fact. Lyrical king on the mic, you already know. Steady rapping and ripping my city on another level. Shout out to Felix and Dara, you're incredible. It's your boy Suke on the SDB show. Go.
There's a lot of questions that I have about the past, and I don't want to hear it from a human. You made it, so you're the last person that I'm ever gonna ask. Tell me what's real, tell me what's fake. Why is everything about you a debate? What's the point of love? Every time I showed it I was broken, and it's forced me just to only want to hate. Why is it only one you but multiple religions? Why does every conversation end in a division? Why does everybody want to tell us how to live, but they won't listen to the same damn message that they give it? Tell me how to feel, tell me what's wrong. I tried to call, pick up the phone, I'm on my own. Everybody said you coming back to man, why the hell's it taking so long? Why do I hurt? Why is there pain? Why does everything good always have to change? Why does everybody try to profit off another man's work then destroy it just for monetary gain? Tell me, are you black or are you white? I don't even really care, I just really want to know what's right. They've been saying one thing, but I've been looking in the book, and it seems like they've been lying for my whole damn life. Tell me where I'm going. Is it heaven or hell? I just hope this message greets you well. Had a dream that I was walking with the devil. Don't remember how it feels, but I swear that I remember the smell. Looked me right into my eye and told me everything I wanted could be mine if I gave up and decided to sell. But I said I'd rather die than get mine. Now I'm here, no fear, one man with a story to tell. Dear God, where were you when I needed it? When I fucked up and repeated it? When they set the bar and I exceeded it? My life is like a book that they've been judging by a cover, but have never took the time to fucking read the shit. I remember telling you my goals and my dreams, but you didn't even answer, so I guess you didn't believe in it. I remember sitting with a gun to my head trying to ask you for some help, but I guess you didn't believe it. I don't want religion, I need that spirituality. I don't want a church, I need people to call a family. I don't want to tell my sins to another sinner just because he's got a robe and he went to some academy. I don't want to read it in the book, I want to hear it from you. Don't want to learn it in my school because they hiding the truth. Don't want to talk about it to another fucking human being, and that's the only reason that I even stepped in this booth. Dear God, how do I take this darkness and turn it into light? How do I believe in the concept where I speak to a man I've never seen with my own two eyes? How do I know that religion wasn't made just to separate the world and create?
Peace sounds.
God's kid on the tune.
Night of flavor, then come.
It's got me vibes. It's got me